morning students. This is 10th standard biology video class, video 8. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson Structural Organization of Animals. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen circulatory system of rabbit, which consists of blood vessels and heart. The shape of the heart is pear-shaped, which is located in the thoracic cavity. Protected by double-walled membrane is called a pericardium. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 auricle and 2 ventricle. Both of them separated by a partition is called a septum. Different types of valves also present in the heart of rabbit. Tricuspid valve between right auricle and right ventricle. Bicuspid valve or mitral valve, which is present between left auricle and left ventricle. The pulmonary artery and aorta guarded by the valve is called semilunar valves. The heart, which receives the deoxygenated blood through 2 precable and 1 postcable vein and enter into the right auricle. Likewise, the left auricle, which receives the oxygenated blood via pulmonary veins from the lungs. Then the right ventricle, which are having the pulmonary trunk to transport the deoxygenated blood to the lungs region. Likewise, the left ventricle, which supplies the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body via systematic arc. This is said to be circulatory system of rabbit. And also we have seen nervous system of rabbit consists of 3 types. Central nervous system, that is CNS. Peripheral nervous system, that is PNS. Autonomic nervous system, ANS. CNS consists of spinal cord and brain. PNS consists of 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 37 pairs of spinal nerves. ANS comprises of sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. And also we have seen brain of a rabbit, which is located in the cranial cavity, protected by 3 membrane, outer durameter, inner pyometer, middle arachnoid membrane. The brain of rabbit divided into 3 regions: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain consists of pair of olfactory lobe and pair of cerebral hemisphere and diencephalon. Left and right cerebral hemisphere separated by a partition made up of nerve tissue named corpus callosum. The midbrain, which consists of optic lobes, which is responsible for vision, and the hindbrain, which consists of pair of cerebellum on either side, followed by a stem-like portion is called medulla oblongata. Inner side of the cerebellum, they are having the pons perulli. That is said to be brain of rabbit. After this only, we have seen in the previous video class. Today, we are going to see the urinogenital system of rabbit. Dear students, this is the heart of lungs. Heart of rabbit, which is seen in the previous video class. This is the brain of rabbit divided into 3 parts, that is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. That also we have seen in the previous video class. Dear students, this is urinogenital system of female, and also we are going to see the male urinogenital reproductive system of rabbit. Dear students, the urinogenital system, which consists of urinary or excretory system, and also genital or reproductive system. Both of them combined together, so it is named as urinogenital system. Dear students, the urinogenital system consists of two processes. One is the excretory system, which consists of pair of kidney, right kidney and left kidney. Right kidney is somewhat higher than the left kidney. The shape of the kidney is bean shaped. From that each kidney they are having long tubular like structure is called ureters, which is open in the posterior, that means upper region, posterior side of the bag like structure, pink color ku paranga, that is named as urinary bladder. The urinary bladder, which is open into a small muscular duct cavity, that is called urethra. So this is the different organ which constitute the excretory system of rabbit. Pair of kidney, pair of ureter, opening in the bag-like structure is called urinary bladder. The urinary bladder leads into a thick-walled duct or a cavity is called urethra. Dear students, this is the kidney, act as an excretory organ in rabbit. Each kidney, which is made up of several structural and functional unit, is called a nephron. So this nephron, which separates the waste material, that is nitrogenous waste material, from the blood and excrete in the outer side in the form of urea. So each kidney, which is bean shaped or reniform shaped, which is located in the abdominal cavity, and also they are dark red in color. From that each kidney, a tubular like structure arising is called a ureter, which is open into the posterior side of the urinary bladder, which is light pink in color. The urinary bladder, which leads into a thick muscular duct, is called a urethra. With the help of this urethra only, they are liberating the waste material outside through an external opening is called a penis. So that is the excretory system of rabbit. Dear students, this is the urinogenital system of rabbit. It consists of two systems. One is the urinary or excretory system and a genital or reproductive system. So that they are named as urinogenital system, which is seen in the vertebrates. First we are going to see the excretory system. Each kidney, which is made up of several or millions structural and functional unit, is called nephrons. These nephrons only, which are collecting waste material from the blood, that is nitrogenous waste material, and excreted outside in the form of urea. Pair of kidney, which is located in the abdominal cavity, which is dark red in color. The shape of the kidney, I told you, bean shaped or reniform shape, located in the on either side of the abdominal cavity. The right kidney is somewhat higher than the lower kidney. From each kidney, a fine tubular like structure arises named as ureter. This ureter, which opens posteriorly on the bag-like structure, is called a urinary bladder. The urinary bladder, which opens into a thick muscular duct, is called a urethra. So the kidney, having the minute structure and functional unit called a nephron. The nephron, which absorbs the nitrogenous waste from the different parts of the body from the blood, and it stored into the kidney region. Then after that, it will be passes through the pair of ureter, and it is stored in the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder, which are having the muscles showing the contraction and the relaxation. So the urinary bladder leads into the urethra. Once the bladder is full, it releases the urine outside with the help of the urethra. That is said to be excretory system of rabbit. Next one, reproductive system. The rabbit reproductive system shows the dimorphism. That means two different types of reproductive system. That is male reproductive system and female reproductive system. That is said to be dimorphism, sexual dimorphism. The male and female sexes are separate and are morphologically different. Their function as well as the external character is also different. That is said to be sexual dimorphism. First, we are going to see the male reproductive system. A male reproductive system of the rabbit consists of pair of testes, which is ovoid in shape. Each testis, which are enclosed by a bag-like structure or a sac-like structure, is called a scrotal sacs, which is located in the abdominal cavity. The each testis, which are made up of fine tubular-like structure, is called a seminiferous tubule. This seminiferous tubule, which contains network of tubules, leads into a coiled tubule, is called epididymis. And then the epididymis, which leads into a sperm duct called vas deferens. So this vas deferens join in the urethra just below the urinary bladder. The urethra runs backward and passes into the penis, which is present in the ventral side of the body. So this is the structure of male reproductive system. In this male reproductive system, they are having different glands also present. That is prostate gland, corpus gland and perineal gland, which is responsible for the reproduction. Dear students, see the diagram and also paragraph. The paragraph which consists of three glands, that is accessory glands, namely prostate gland, corpus gland and perineal gland, which is responsible for reproduction. Okay. So this is the male reproductive system of rabbit. See the diagram. The male reproductive system consists of pair of testes, ash color la irukku parunga, which is located in the abdominal cavity, which are protected by a bag-like structure is called a scrotal sac. Then each testis, which are made up of with fine tubule, is called a seminiferous tubule. The seminiferous tubule, which are all joined together to form a coiled tubule, is called a epididymis. The epididymis afterwards leads into a vas deferens. See the right side, they given the epididymis. The epididymis is made up of fine numerous tubule. Then after that leads into a small cavity or a duct is called a vas deferens. The vas deferens, which are arising from both the testes, rendu pakkam irukku parunga. Epididymis is also there and also vas deferens. Both the vas deferens, which are joined to the urinary bladder on the posterior side, top la poi joined ஆகுது. Posterior side, just below the urinary bladder, and it is joined to the urethra. So that is the male reproductive system in rabbit. It also constitutes the three types of glands which is present here: prostate gland, Cowper's gland, and perineal gland, which is violet in color, which secrete certain substance responsible for the reproduction. That is the male reproductive system in rabbit. So, pair of testes enclosed by scrotal sac. Then, the testis consist of fine tubules, is called seminiferous tubule. Leads to a coiled structure, is called a epididymis. The epididymis leads into a duct, is called a vas deferens. The pair of vas deferens, which joins to the urethra on the posterior side, just below the urinary bladder. Then the urethra runs backward and passes into the penis, which is located in the ventral side of the body. It consists of three glands: prostate, Cowper, and a perineal gland. They secrete certain secretion which is responsible for the reproduction. Dear students, I hope you have all understood male reproductive system of rabbit. Next, we are going to see the female reproductive system. Consists of pair of ovaries, which is small ovoid in shape. So these ovaries, which are located below the kidney in the abdominal cavity. The pair of oviducts open into the cavity, that is body cavity, by a funnel shaped openings from each side of the ovary. A pair of oviducts open into the body by a funnel shaped opening from each side of the ovary is called a oviduct. The anterior part of the oviduct is called fallopian tube. This fallopian tube leads into a wider tube called uterus. The uterus, that is both the uterus are joined together to form a median tube, is called a vagina. A common tube is formed by the union of urinary bladder and the vagina, is called urinogenital canal or vestibule. It runs backward and open to the exterior by a slit-like aperture is called vulva. So the female reproductive system also having certain gland, that is Cowper's gland and perineal gland, which is responsible for the reproduction. That is the female reproductive system in rabbit. Dear students, this is the female reproductive system of rabbit, which consists of pair of ovary, which is located below the kidneys in the abdominal cavity. It is ovoid in shape. See the light blue color. That is said to be the ovary. From that ovary, a funnel-shaped structure which arises on either side of the ovary, that is called oviduct. அங்கே பாருங்க ஒரு funnel மாதிரி triangle shapeல இருக்குல்ல ரெண்டு பக்கமும், that is said to be the oviduct. The oviduct which leads into a region is called fallopian tube. It's given the left side part. Then this fallopian tube leads into a large tube or wider tube is called uterus on either side. Then both the uteruses are joined together to form a further common tube is called vagina. The vagina and the urinary bladder, which are joined together, which leads into a small canal or a path, is called urinogenital canal or vestibule. The vestibule, which is open into the, that means it runs backward and open into the exterior by a slit, is called vulva. It consists of two glands, that is perineal gland and Cowper's gland, which is responsible for reproduction. That is said to be female reproductive structure of rabbit. Dear students, up to this we have seen male reproductive system and female reproductive system, and also excretory system we have seen. In the excretory system, we have seen that each kidney, which are made up of numerous structural functional unit, is called a nephron, isn't it? So this is said to be the structure of a nephron. A nephron which consists of fine tubules which are collecting urine from, that is nitrogenous waste from the blood from different parts of the body and store it in a cup-like structure is called a Bowman's capsule. From that Bowman's capsule, they are having different tubule, that is collecting tubule, collecting duct, then ascending limb, descending loop, loop of Henle and distal convoluted tubule. So these are all the different region to collect the waste material, nitrogenous waste material from the blood, from different parts of the body and sent to the each kidney through pair of ureters and open into the urinary bladder and excrete the nitrogenous waste through urethra. That is said to be the excretory system of rabbit. So see the LS of kidney, which consists of different region, outer region, inner region, vein and artery and also ureter. So this is the structure of uriniferous tubule, which is present in the excretory system of rabbit. Dear students, this is the another diagram which are showing the nervous system of rabbit. Here the red color dots and Green colored dots are named as sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves, which constitute the autonomous nervous system of rabbit. And also, they are showing the different nerves which are connecting to the different organs to responsible specific function. That is eye, then lacrimal gland, then nasal chamber, that is mucous membrane of nasal chamber, submaxillary gland, sublingual, oral mucosa, parotid gland, heart, lung, stomach, liver, pancreas, suprarenal, small intestine, large intestine, kidney, sex organ, urinary bladder. So everything different organ which are connected by a numerous nerves which constitute the nervous system of rabbit. Dear students, in this video we have seen excretory system. The excretion is taken place by pair of kidney which is located in the abdominal cavity, which constitute the ureter, urinary bladder and the urethra. Then the male reproductive system, which consists of pair of testes surrounded by scrotal sac. Then it consists of fine tubule is called seminiferous tubule, leads to epididymis. Then epididymis which forms the vas deferens, which is open into the urethra just below the urinary bladder. The urethra run backwards and open into the penis in the ventral side of the body. That is the male reproductive system of rabbit. Dear students, then we have seen female reproductive system of rabbit consists of pair of ovary located just below the each kidney, ovoid in shape, consists of funnel shaped structure is called oviduct. The oviduct which leads into fallopian tube. A fallopian tube leads into broader tube is called uterus. A pair of uterus which is joined together to form a common tube is called vagina. The vagina and urinary bladder are joined together and form a common canal is called urinogenital canal or vestibule, which is open into the vulva, which is located in the ventral side. And also it consists of different glands, perineal and Cowper gland. Like female reproductive system, male reproductive system also consists of 3 glands, namely prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland. All these accessory glands which is responsible for reproduction. Dear students, I hope have you all understood excretory system, female reproductive system and male reproductive system of rabbit. Dear students, up to this, the second lesson is over. In the next video class, we will see in the third lesson. God bless you. All the best, children.